Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today, we'll walk you through how to migrate a WhatsApp Business API number. This feature allows you to move your number between different WABAs while keeping important attributes like display name, quality rating, and approved templates. Before starting, make sure that you've created the target WABA and yCloud, and both WABAs belong to the same business manager. Let's now begin the actual migration process. Log into Business Manager using an admin account. Go to the WABA that contains the number, Settings, WhatsApp Manager. Navigate to Phone Numbers, find the number, and click the Settings icon. Locate two-step verification and click Turn off two-step verification. Once this is done, we can proceed to initiate the migration in yCloud. Log into your yCloud dashboard. Go to the WhatsApp Accounts page. Click Add WhatsApp Business Number. Select Migrate Phone Number, and then click Start Migration. The system will prompt you to enter the phone number and the verification code. Tip: for China users, we recommend using the voice call option to receive the code. Once verified, yCloud will begin the migration process. After a successful migration, the number will appear under the bound WABA with the status Connected. Now let's go over a few key points you should be aware of. Migration is only allowed between different WABAs under the same BM. Display name must be approved and not under modification. Chat history will not be migrated, so please back it up beforehand. Number attributes like green badge and quality rating will remain unchanged. Approved high-quality templates will be synced, but their rating will restart after migration. That's the complete process of migrating a WhatsApp business number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. More WhatsApp tutorials are coming soon. Stay tuned.